What is strength? Is it the resonant echoes of impact in a gym? The persistence of sweat dripping yet undeterred? Or the courage to break barriers and challenge limits? Baopeng's strength comes from years of experience. From vision to reality, each step Baopeng takes is robust and decisive. An invisible force, omnipresent, deeply embedded in every decision, every innovation. Baopeng is reshaping strength with the stance of a fighter. Baopeng's strength is encapsulated in technological breakthroughs, specializing in the research and development and production of PU dumbbells, weight plates, barbells, and kettlebells. Over the past 14 years, we have pushed the boundaries of high-performance product development with exquisite craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and ingenious design, unleashing endless possibilities for innovation. From concept to physical product, production time is cut by a third, enabling guests to bring their products to market faster. To provide services from 0 to 1 for brand growth, unremitting commitment to innovation is the constant pursuit of Baopeng people. Baopeng's strength lies in efficient production, raw material processing, electroplating, assembly, PU or rubber coating, customization, and testing. Each stage of the production process is interconnected. Hundreds of specialized custom machines, fully automated production lines, with scientifically coordinated human-machine collaboration, ensuring products are delivered on time to all workshops, setting new standards in efficiency and yield, achieving an average monthly production of 5,000 pounds. Baopeng's strength lies in exceptional quality. 365 days, 24 hours, high-quality control of the whole link to ensure consistent quality. From the raw materials, relying on our strong manufacturing, mold and equipment, processes, and quality control teams, our product yield exceeds 98%, surpassing the industry average. To meet the diverse needs of fitness and competition crowd, Baopeng strives for perfection, enhancing material stability to produce dumbbells and weight plates that are stronger, last longer, and offer a more comfortable grip. Successfully passing international standards like ROS and REACH, our products are exported to over 60 countries and regions worldwide, selected for the Olympics, and have strategic partnerships with over 40 well-known domestic and international brands. Baopeng's strength is gathered in thoughtful service. From initial business communication to precise order delivery, Baopeng offers a comprehensive service plan covering production to shipment through a perfected quality and pricing system. Strength builds reputation. Quality earns trust. We are not just a factory, but a robust supplier behind you. Over a decade of refinement, carrying ideals day and night, Baopeng forges an era's monument with craftsmanship. Successfully honored with over 30 awards, including Jiangsu Province Quality Integrity Demonstration Unit, High-Tech Enterprise, and Advanced Enterprise for Scale and Innovation. Since its inception, Baopeng has been passionately pursuing excellence in the commercial dumbbells and weight plate sector with a steady pace. At this moment, we are poised and ready to embark on a new journey. In 2023, Baopeng launched a new fitness brand, Vanbo, a deep exploration and innovation in the fitness industry, and a heartfelt dedication to the fitness cause.
未来，我们宝鹏健身秉持着高质量及创新精神，深耕专业商用领域，为世界提供更好的产品。
What is strength? Strength is the pillar of growth, the engine of innovation, the harbor of trust, the beacon of spirit, and the link to health.